the Next Gen Factory at Dr. Reddy's. We are a part of the global pharmaceutical industry, which is worth over $960 billion and serves millions of patients every day. While we create access to affordable medicines, the process involves facing certain challenges like global competition, speed to market, launching new products on time, and stringent CGMP norms of drug regulatory authorities. To address these challenges successfully and create world-class products on a sustainable basis, we must achieve operational excellence through superior execution, which is the key to building an ideal factory.
An ideal formulations factory is one where there are the highest levels of quality, productivity and safety for our employees. This can be achieved in a number of ways. We have defined our own way of building an ideal formulations factory. We have certain philosophies in terms of designing the facility and operating it. And these fall into the 8 pillars that we are talking about.
Operations at this next-gen factory are carried out with the goal to create a lean and agile organization and thereby sustain a next-gen factory, where all processes and areas are governed by these building blocks.
Manufacturing and supply excellence will be achieved when all the 8 pillars come together to deliver this vision holistically. The obvious question is, how is this achieved? Number 1, a much simplified plant, but a plant fully capable of producing difficult and complex products with ease and a high first-time right score. This can be achieved by an automated, self-learning and self-correcting system that provides intelligent data for decisions in real time. This can be achieved by ensuring no manual handling and zero manual activity in the shop floor, making our operations completely paperless by fully leveraging information technology and building total cost of ownership in everything that we do.
The process begins with production and material planning by the supply chain team. This is synchronized with the demand of individual SKUs from respective markets and the supply of API and excipients from certified vendors. It goes as the input for the scheduling software and ensures the required material availability. It also details shift-wise scheduling for each manufacturing line. The material procured is transported by the suppliers to a factory warehouse. Automated sampling and transfer systems transfer samples of the received material to the quality control lab for testing. Near-infrared systems use barcoding for identification and verification of materials, thereby maintaining traceability. Personnel safety is given utmost priority, and every employee is provided with personal protective equipment in line with safety and GMP requirements. Various safety systems are also put in place to enable safe workplace, like job safety analysis, LOTO, work permit system, and safety observations. In manufacturing, each operation involves a closed material handling system with restricted personnel entry. Material movement is carefully monitored in order to avoid cross-contamination and batch mix-up. Manual work at every stage is minimal and is ensured through mobile material transfer system. Each team member has area ownership and is responsible for the end-to-end operations, including production as well as upkeep of machines in his area.
As a team member in the shop floor, I handle end-to-end job, which includes mission management, material management, online documentation, day-to-day planning and all operations.
The team member maintains online records of the entire process in the electronic batch processing record, thereby ensuring high level of data integrity and traceability at every stage. All machines are running with recipe-based program logic controls to ensure no variation in tablets. Isolators are provided to maintain internal conditions, thereby providing personal, product and environmental protection. The engineering team ensures that the plant runs smoothly at all times. To support sustainable operations, a building management system is deployed which electronically controls and monitors the building's mechanical and electrical equipment. Machine interlocks ensure safety of the team member and the machine. The materials and lines are different for different forms of packing like blister, bottle, strip and vials. Efficiency in operations is brought in through standardized process and homogeneous labeling procedures. During the packing process on high-speed packing and cartonator lines, automated cameras and sensors check if anything is broken, missing or empty. The tablets during the process are check-weighed for variation. 2D barcoding and holograms are some of the measures to enable traceability and prevent counterfeiting. Quality control performs rigorous testing of the raw materials, the packing materials, the in-process product, as well as the final product, as per defined procedures. Modern equipment for rapid micro methods and ultra-performance liquid chromatography ensure quick turnaround time. We extensively utilize the laboratory execution system, whose key features include workflow and data tracking support, data mining and analysis, and smart data exchange interfaces. Subsequently, the product is stored using the automated storage and retrieval system in the warehouse and kept ready for being shipped out to the market by air or sea. Managing pharma operations is highly complex since there are multiple products of different forms like oral solid dosage, injectables, ointments and creams being manufactured in the plant. Smaller batch sizes and shorter production runs and compulsory changeovers between two products add to the complexity. Additionally, every product has different process specification, time and material requirements, calling for efficient planning and strict process controls. Our self-managed team way of work encourages team spirit while empowering the team members to own their areas and manage complex operations. They undergo detailed safety, quality and technical training to equip them with the required know-how to achieve right first time.
The governance of the whole place comes down several notches, and it is those who are actually touching the product and operating the machines who will be also responsible for not only the safety but also the quality and also the availability and overall health of the systems around the manufacturing place.
Sustainable operations call for environment management through adequate waste disposal systems, rainwater harvesting, green campuses, etc. Additionally, each factory and campus is ISO 14001, SA 8000 and 21 CFR compliant.
Our customers get our products whenever they need them.
The final products from our global distribution center are transported to the international markets to be available all time on the shelf and within the reach of the end customer, the patient in need, thereby helping people lead healthier lives.